This guy over here is a red-tailed hawk. The red-tailed hawk scientific name is Buteo jamaicensis. His red-tailed hawks do not molt in their characteristic red-tailed tail until they are 2 years old. Immature birds have a brown banded tail. Red-tailed hawks inhabit a variety of open habitats, including deserts, grasslands, parks, and tropical rainforests. They are on found on very contained except Antarctica. Their diet consists primarily of mammals, but they will also prey on other birds and reptiles as well as consume carrion. Red-tailed hawks nest in the crown of a tree or on a cliff ledges. The nest is typically 3 feet in diameter. They will lay 1 to 4 eggs.